Hi, welcome back to our online preparation course for the TOEFL test. This time we are going to continue getting prepared for the reading section. In this module, we are going to cover pronoun reference. There are some topics that are tested in different sections of the exam. For example, in this case, pronoun reference are not only tested in the grammar section, but also in the reading section of the TOEFL test. Also, pronoun reference are part of those kind of questions that are easy and time-saving. So, if you take advantage of this preparation video, it is going to be very easy for you to answer these easy questions and to save time for the ones that are not that easy. During Module 4, you had the opportunity to learn everything about pronouns and to practice it. So I am sure that this topic is going to be very easy for you. So, let's do an example about how pronouns are evaluated in the reading section. As they are named pronoun reference, it is about what a pronoun refers to. Okay, so let's take this example. As I already mentioned several times, it is important that you remember that we never read complete passages. We first read the question and we go to the passage to find the answer. So for example, in this case, we have the pronoun they in line 5 refers to. If you notice, they are giving you the line in which the pronoun is located, and on the left, you can find the lines that are important in order to find the necessary information. For example, in this case, the pronoun they is located in line 5. Okay, so it is important that you read the previous sentence in order to get the idea of what they are talking about. So, for example, in order to survive, these plants have developed mechanisms to trap insects within their foliage. They have digestive fluids to obtain the necessary nitrogen from the insects. Okay, it is important that you identify the nouns in the sentence. For example, these plants or mechanisms and insects and foliage. Okay, so we have 4 different options to answer this question. We have humid areas, these plants, insects, and digestive fluids. So it is important that you understand what the pronoun refers to. For example, in this case, the pronoun they refers to these plants. Okay, let's do another example. Here we have a question and it says the pronoun it in line 8 refers to. If you notice on your screen, next to the text you have the number 10. So it is easier for you to identify line 8, for example, in this case. In line 8, you have the pronoun it. So again, we read the complete sentence before the pronoun and it says, the sundew has sticky hairs on its leaves. When an insect lands on these leaves, it gets caught up in the sticky hairs and the leaf wraps itself around the insect. So again, let's identify the nouns. We have the sundew, the hairs, leaves, insect, leaves again, hairs, and leaf, and also the insect again. So it is important that we identify what the pronoun it refers to. So for example, in this case, the pronoun it refers to an insect, right? Because it says it gets caught up. What gets caught up? The insect, okay? The question that you are going to find in the TOEFL test when they are asking you for pronoun reference is this one. The pronoun in line X refers to which of the following? Okay, so this is the question that you are going to find most of the times when they are asking you about pronoun reference. Okay, so let's review the procedure in order to be able to answer questions related to pronoun reference. Remember, on the exam, printed, you are going to find the lines that are important in order to identify the pronouns quickly. So you just go very quickly to the pronoun and you read the sentence, right, where the pronoun is included, and don't forget to identify the nouns. Of course, you will have to do some thinking in order to realize what the pronoun refers to. Okay, after that, you choose the answer. Okay, so now it is your turn. Go to the practice section and practice this strategy related to pronoun reference. See you next time.